putting a washing machine box right here. Making progress. All right, so none of this is glued yet, but I got the pecs ran. There was already a hole right there, so I didn't even have to drill that. That's the one I drilled right here, and that. So basically, santee will go like that. 2-inch will go through the floor. I'm gonna run the vent straight up, and then I'm gonna tie in. There's a 4-inch main that I'm gonna tie into with this. But for the water, Upanor, of course, what else? So there's my pecs. That's all I have left. So there's the hot right there that the previous tenant was using for a dishwasher. So I'm going to use that line with a 1/2-inch coupling here. And then that line right there, beyond this, that right there, that's 3/4. I'm going to tie into that. 3/4, 3/4. Finishing off the laundry, and I initially cut open the wall here and just notched this, but this plaster sticks out so far I had to take a hammer and literally just chip it away because it wouldn't allow me to run the vent. And so I got it to there and I was able to get it through, but there's just so much of this plaster that it wouldn't straighten up there. So all right, well, I ended up busting this out anyway because couldn't get my dang, whatever you call it, angle drill in there. So okay, we're in the attic, and right behind that beam, you can kind of see it. That's the laundry machine vent, drain vent, right? So scroll back here. This right here, that's the kitchen sink vent. So max total length for a vent, UPC, is 60 feet. Max horizontal length is 20 feet. So I'm gonna measure right now. Okay, so it's 10 feet right there, popping up to the attic. And then from there to this vent is 6 feet. So that will work. That will work. And the max DFUs for 1.5 inches is 8. Is that right? Washing machine is 3. Kitchen sink is 2. So we'll be all right. Yeah. And if I wasn't all right, there's a 2-inch right here for the toilet. So yeah. Oh, it in below into the 4-inch right over here. That's it. That 4-inch stack was coming out of the ground a little crooked, but I didn't do it. So I got plenty of pitch here, a little bit more than a 1/4 inch, a foot. Got a test tee so you can snake it up if you needed to, which is a lot easier than trying to jump the trap. And then of course you can snake it down towards the sewer main.